Hi math friends, today we're working with solving equations with variables on both sides. When we say both sides, remember whenever we're equation solving, we want to draw a line down the equal sign, so we have two sides of the equation to work with, our left side and our right side. These are equations that we're used to working with. Now we're going to see equations like this. Same idea, we're going to draw our line down like I just did. Now on our left side, there's variables. And on our right side, there's variables. We're going to do this one as an example to see how do we start these. So on this example, I'm going to draw my line down. And I have my 2x over here, 3x over here. First I'm going to look, is there any distributing to do? Is there any combining like terms to do on each side? Okay? A common mistake is saying 2x and 3x is 5x. But I need to make sure I do one side at a time. I don't have any like terms over there. If I need to cover up this side, there's no like terms on my right side. I want to use the strategy of moving my variables to my left side of the equation. You can go from left to right, but just for some consistency, when we start, let's try right to left. So I'll subtract 3x from both sides. That'll make it so that I don't have any x's over here on the right. So I drop down the -4, and 2x minus 3x is -x, and then I have the +1. And now I need to subtract that 1, because I'm trying to isolate the variable. And I have -x equals -5. And then last, remember when we have a negative coefficient, divide by -1 on both sides. And now I have x equals 5. Okay. We'll also take a look at one that's a little more complicated. So here we have -2 times the quantity x minus 10 equals 3x minus 4 plus x. Okay. Let's keep this simple as we can. Line down the middle, simplify my left side. I see the parentheses, I see multiplying, so I need to distribute that. So I'm going to have -2x. -2 times 10 is -20. Minus sign drops down there. And remember, minus negative means plus a positive. Over here on the right, 3x and x are like terms, so I have 4x. And -4 stays by itself, so -4. And now I want to move my variables from the right to the left. So I'll subtract the 4x from both sides. -2x minus 4x, I would get -6x. Plus 20 comes straight down. And on the right side I have -4 left. Okay. Now this looks like an equation that we're used to solving before having variables on both sides. They're all over here on the left side. Subtract 20 from both sides. So -6x equals -24. And lastly, divide by -6. And then we have x equals 4. Remember to always check your answer back into your original equation to make sure that it works out that you got to the right answer.